Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to disable energy saving mode to increase your device's performance. To begin, let's open the Start menu right here, then go to Settings, and then select System and scroll down to Power and Battery, and once you open this tab, search for Energy Saver. As you can see, Energy Saver, once we expand it, it's on for me, so to disable it manually, just switch this toggle right here, and this disables Energy Saver. You can also set a certain level of your battery when you want the Energy Saver to turn on. If you want to completely disable it, just select Never. You can also optionally choose to lower screen brightness when you're using Energy Saver. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.